Good morning, Internet. Welcome to season 2 on Sing China. This is Yan, and today I am going to make my first proper food vlog.
这边你很好去，你们大家都来去。
So ever since I've been posting videos about China, I've got comments asking me to make videos about food because Chinese food is quite amazing. But I've always found it is very challenging for me to make food vlogs. Firstly, as a solo traveler, I don't eat that much and I don't have a huge appetite. And secondly, it is very hard for me to describe a food. My vocabulary is quite limited. All I can say this food is salty and that is sweet, this is good, that is bad. But it's hard for me to describe it in a very attractive way. However, today I've decided to take this challenge. I am going to meet a friend in a minute. She is a girl that I met on my Chinese platform Bilibili and she's local. We've decided to make this video together. And also for your information, this vlog is not made in one day. I've also compiled some of the footages that I had in the past weeks.
慢走哈。
好。This is the breakfast stand in Quanzhou. There are a lot of different things I want to show you. It's very convenient. So he has this Xiaonan, the egg.
丹麦也有。
Xiaonan 对吧？然后蛋卷 this is the egg roll and also the 馒头。
叫我买鲜糕。
那我这要一块买鲜糕，多少钱呀？
这算你1.5块吧。
好的。
这样子1.5、1.3块。算你5块钱就好。
好的。That is a butcher shop, a moving butcher shop on a bicycle. What I like the most about China is that the food is so affordable and you have so many choices. This is what I've got for breakfast for less than $2. This is the egg roll. It's very golden. So it's flour with some egg. The 满煎糕. It's kind of a sweet and soft pancake with the peanut and sugar inside. Rice hamburger with a piece of chicken inside. Xiaonan, she has arrived with her scooter. And we're going to go with her scooter. 是不是每个前州人都会骑小电动呀？差不多，因为小电动是全州必备的啦。那车的话真的很堵，小电动车真的好方便哦。500米。打车的话也很堵啊，今天人很多，骑小毛驴会方便一点。这边要左拐，你好左拐吗？Today is Sunday, so it's very busy. There's a lot of traffic on the road. Everyone wants to go out. And
之前中山路那一条，在19年的时候也是2排都是树，然后那个时候要重新装修，就把2排所有的树都砍掉。
This is the first food that we're going to try. It's called 醋肉, and literally it means vinegar meat. We have 2 big wok. So firstly, they mix the meat together with the sweet potato flour and then put it in the big wok.
走吧。
装一点点。
自己看哦，够了就喊一下哈。觉得够了就喊一下。
可以。
还有呢？
这个很好吃。
That's what we got 醋肉 for 13 yuan. It's not expensive, like $2. 醋肉不用沾酱吗？
不用，
就直接这样吃啊？
你有吃到它的醋味吗？
我觉得还有点大蒜味，是吧？
它会裹一层大蒜。
And since it's wrapped in a sweet potato flour, so you can see this layer of translucent flour, which makes it also a bit chewy.
素肉是泉州最好吃的一个东西，我心里在泉州吃到最好吃的。
This is the second food that we are going to try. It's called sugotang, which is very popular in like Minnan region. And originally there are only 4 kinds of food inside, but nowadays you can pick whatever you want. There is pineapple, watermelon. Yeah, it's a tarum. It's made of tarum starch and also some kind of transparent noodle.
他家这个芋圆是我认为泉州第一。果汤泉州、厦门、漳州都有。然后我个人是觉得这个东西是漳州的，但是也有很多人觉得是厦门的或者是泉州的。
This is another typical Chinese food, lu da chang. It's braised pig intestine. Although it might look very strange for many of the foreign tourists, but it's actually some of the favorite food for Chinese people, and it's fairly expensive. 大姐多少钱一斤啊？70块，哇塞，真的不便宜哦。
讲的什么话我都听不来啊！讲英语了是吧？
对的，对的。So it's 70 half kilo. It's very expensive, but local people love it. This small snack is called fugu. It's made of some vegetables and also some seafood, and then deep fried.
海蛎子，这么大个的海蛎子，你看。
啊，这是海蛎子哦。
对，你看，都是海蛎子。好，这是瘦肉。蔬菜，新鲜的蔬菜。
直接看到里面的料了。
啊，真的耶。You can also see the filling inside some spring onions and sweet potato flowers. Look, it's a bit jelly, and the seafood and some meat. And this fugu has the history of more than 200 years. It's quite a popular local dishes. I just took a bite. It's very crispy with the fragrance of the onions and the seafood. 哎，怎么有这么多炸的小吃呀？
白果，对啊，闽南炸的小吃就特别多。
我们这才地道传统的小吃又地道。
哪一个是最传统的呀？
这个是我们2个招牌，这2个的招牌。
啊，好的。This is one of the very popular, very typical Minnan food called 芋头饼, the tarum cake. It's like 2 biscuits, and inside it's smashed tarum and covered with sesame. 很香。老板，下面那个多少钱一盒？混搭的那个。15块钱。这种是吧？那我拿1盒吧。好的。不用袋子，直接给我就可以了。
那我也要拿筷子啊，我要拿酸梅粉啊。
好的，谢谢你啊。
不客气。
老板，我想问一下，那个水里面有什么吗？
有陈皮、话梅、酸梅粉，好多种，蜂蜜咯，盐、白糖都有，好几种。
怪不得这边的水果都酸酸甜甜的呢。谢谢你啊。
不客气。
This is 杨桃, the star fruits, pineapple, what he is making right now, and this is guava. Mango, strawberry, and also the pink guava. 谢谢老板。
英语讲得很好。
Wow. Wow, this is just incredible. There is the fragrance of the plum on my tongue. It's sweet, sour,
salty.
Ờ, 油条先不用啊，
来一根刚好配那个是绝配的，真的。一人刚好搞一边。
好，那给我来一个油条吧。The next food that we are going to try is this 花生汤, the peanut soup. It's very buttery, looks like milk. The peanut is very soft. It has been boiled for a long time. It's very creamy and soft and not too sweet. And they told me the best way to eat it is together with this youtiao, with this fried dough. And you have to dip it into the peanut soup. So the crispy of the dough together with the creamy of the peanut milk, it's very good. What's interesting about the restaurants in Fujian is that many of them claim that they were once on the TV. So it's like a jelly, a curd with some worm inside. It looks quite terrifying, but a lot of people love it. It comes together with the vinegar and some soy sauce and some garlic. It's actually very chewy and kind of a jelly. Definitely not my favorite food, but it's not that bad. We're now lined up in a queue waiting for one of the famous food called Maci, but there are so many people, just like all the shops, all the restaurants in Quanzhou. It's already quite late and it's windy and cold, so we decided to find a place, a warm place, so that we can sit inside and try this rice cake. Oh my god, this one comes with crispy biscuits, grounded peanut and sesame, and the skin is super soft. I'm running out of words to describe it, but I love it. This shop is famous for Zongci, so we ordered a big one. The Zongci is huge. There is chestnut, pork, and with some sweet sour sauce. We also got a bowl of raw yam. It looks like 馄饨, but the skin is thinner and the meat is leaner. This is the end of today's video. We did our best, but still we have a little bit of this left over. But we are so full now, so this is just only part of the good food in Quanzhou.
欢迎大家来到泉州，泉州还有更多好玩好吃的等着大家。
Thanks for watching and see you next time.